Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating modern minimalist house sa Molino 3, Bacoor, Cavite. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Kung ang hanap mo nga ay malapit sa Manila, Airport, Las Piñas at Talabang, prime location, maayos na community, gated, secured at hindi binabaha, at napakaaliwalas dahil malalaki ang roads. Dito ka na sa Town and Country West, Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Alam mo ba buddy na few minutes lang ito sa Villar City, University Town, Vermosa, River Park, MCX at SLEX. Location pa lang ay panalo ka na at bonus pa na ito ay premium finish, open layout at move-in ready na nga ito dahil complete finish na ito upon turnover. Kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na lang ang gamit at family mo. Lot area is 75 square meters kaya naman may provision ito for 2 carport expanded unit kaya naman ang total developed floor area natin ay 115 square meters. Total of 4 bedroom including ang ating kasambahay room at mas na-enhance nga ang ating available unit with pass-through closet at may vanity area pa. Pasok sa mga hindi pag-ibig member, TCP is 7.9 million only and with just 10% down payment, payable pa for 12 months for only 62,000 monthly DP and estimated monthly amortization is 50,000. 2 remaining units available kaya naman buddy kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!